Damn, I caught your handicap. Oh well.
Good, mad at me. Be your ass on time next time, nigga. I just hit the baddest bitch and I hate the shit. It's autumn, this year, man. Shit, this shit fucking me all the way up now. On the way to the car show. We chilling with the old head today. That's why you still got fucked by that cow, nigga. High speed chase, they go get his ass. High speed chase. He running. He running. It's a funeral, Jay. You look like a high speed chase. Hey, y'all, that's my homeball, that fan or Monte Carlo right there.
Yeah. Hey, y'all, he cut that video short, too. I thought he lost control of that bit, too.
No, I just ain't had to.
I don't want to hear that shit. I don't want to hear that shit. Well, yeah, you did say it ain't healthy. My bad. I still think, I think he got scared of that bit. That's what I think it was. That's what I think it was. Hey, my homeboy got on velvet pants, too. What is that, velvet? Boy, like he in a marching band. I quit. I ain't gonna do you like that. I quit.
Perfect kind.
I quit.
What kind of deal you out there calling, boy?
Shit, 287. 287. Bit. That work. another one, man. So we locking in.
Color for us, we in the building.
Oh yeah.
Let me turn me up. Yeah, he told me this LSA supercharger on top of 6.0.
Oh yeah. Like I say, this motherfucker, he got some money tied to this motherfucker.
Yeah.
So how much he paid and all that shit for?
No, he can go over prices and shit. So what transmission he running on?
Shit, boy, I have no idea on the transmission. I don't know, 4L80, I do, Vic. Just got to rebuild. My bad.
Yeah, that 4L80, you gonna need that behind them horses though.
Yeah. So he just got it back Thursday. Got to rebuild.
Yeah, your battery went low. Yeah. But man, I'm telling you, man, I love this car though. Like the Arrow Coupe, like I'm starting to see a lot of them now. Like you used to didn't see these many Arrow Coupes around.
No. But now it's just like, some motherfuckers just really just getting them and, putting them together now. So making them look nice and coming together with them.
Slow it down a little bit. Yeah, but shit, man, back in the day, my partner had a box Chevy with that same glass in the back. We said, man, that's an ugly ass car. We used to hate that glass.
Shit, matter of fact, he used to have one, and nephew got one.
Yeah. Man, we used to hate it, but now, man, you had that same box Chevy, you'll be happy to have that motherfucker. And then by this being T-top too, like this the whole shebang, shifting the flow, all that, like it's the whole 9 yards. And then like that autometer dash, I'm thinking about rocking with them too though.
Oh yeah. I like that motherfucker. I don't know how to change it, but I know that motherfucker got different settings and stuff though.
Yeah, you can do the different screens and shit. Oh yeah.
I know he got some money tied to this motherfucker.
So like this car show we going to today, like what style car show is like more older cats or?
Yeah, older cat with a mixture like, I guess young or whatever too. So it's gonna be some nice rides out there. So especially I know it's gonna be a lot of Cutlers and stuff out there too. So a lot of G-bodies and stuff.
Yeah, since my name Colors for us, it ain't gotta be no colors. I love them all.
Yeah. Man,
like the whole name is like, cause my city love colors. Like I try to get different cars on the channel to show my city that is more to a color, because people who don't really know old schools back in my city, all they know is a color. Like they don't know how to spot a Malibu. I ain't gonna say everybody, but some of the people that's not into it deep.
Yeah.
All they know is colors. They can spot the colors, but they can't be like, man, what that is.
That's on downhill. It's just like more like box Chevys or the donks and stuff. Like you getting like a lot of people that getting Cutlers and stuff now, but it was always like a box Chevy and like donks and stuff.
Yeah, and see, it always been colors for us. Just like that car passed earlier, how we could tell what style. We could say, oh, that's a Ford for sure because of the tail light. Yeah. Like that's why I put different cars on my channel for, like, man, we love colors so much. I want to introduce them to other cars, be able to identify other cars and turn people from colors lovers to car people. You get what I'm saying? So that's the main thing. That's what the channel is, and people just, man, I get that all the time on YouTube. They be coming, man, ain't no damn color, it's a Regal. Man, you think I'm sitting here doing this and don't know the difference between a Regal and a Cutlass? Yeah, then a box Chevy, and then because I have my logo at the bottom say colors for us, it just introducing my city to more different cars, well, a variety of cars, you know what I'm saying? So that's mainly what it be. Like, people just strictly think I record Cutlass. Man, I'm a car lover. Anybody want to jump on the channel, just hit me up.
You like me, I love cars. Like I said, I've been loving cars since I was young, goddamn.
Yeah, but then see, I got it so messed up. Like, I look at new cars in the drivetrain, I be like, man, I love to have that drivetrain in the old car.
What?
Be like, fuck that.
You get one of these motherfuckers like a Monte Carlo or Cutlass all-wheel drive or some shit.
I be looking at the new car like, shit, that's a good insurance claim. I do an insurance claim on this motherfucker.
They're like this, a RT, you get that shit. Even though I wouldn't want to put a Dodge up in the goddamn Chevy, but
yeah, but they got them Hellcat swaps and shit now too though.
Motherfucker, ride, goddamn.
Man, I always wanted to do like one of them Cummins motors in an old school ass truck, like an old diesel truck or something, like a old one, take it out and do a Cummins swap.
I think like my partner called his partner goddamn got a Lincoln Continental with a Cummins swap in that motherfucker.
Yeah, that's crazy. Like, shit, them D's, I wanted like a dually style. Like, Fat Boys got some good food.
Yeah, I just did. Oh yeah, hell yeah, they got good food. I just did that one too, not too long ago.
Oh yeah, that been clean, man. See, y'all like them SS's down here.
Well, that's a Capri.
Oh, that's Capri. Yeah, that's a bubble. I ain't even look at it hard. But I cause it got the back glass. Cause that's the year you could do the clones.
Yeah.
See, in certain years you could do the clones cause that back window cut. So you think they getting ready for the car show?
I know that burgundy car. I don't know about the other one.
Right. So you think it's gonna be a big turnout out there?
Oh yeah. I know it was like 40 some cars goddamn last time, but then it's like I left a little early because I was out there washing.
All right.
But I was out there probably like at like 10 through like 1 o'clock, but I ended up leaving. I was tired.
So you strictly just wash cars, you know, and YouTube. That's all.
That's it. That's the only thing I do.
Right.
That's
Shit,
it.
washing cars, boy, you'll run that bag over that car.
Oh yeah. But you got to get the ones that understand detail. So
Right.
That's the only thing. Washing, you'll make a couple dollars, but man, just if you ain't detailing, you ain't really making no money. $30, $40 here, this and this, but if you sit there and do $250 or $500 or whatever, you get a full detail or whatever. You know, that's where that money come in at. But just regular washing, man, you'll be all day with that.
Right. See, I used to be into tattooing, and that's how I used to be on. Like, I used to do a lot of little knick-knack tattoos here and there, and I'd be working all day.
Yeah.
As far as when I could just do a lot of detail work, like a whole half a sleeve in one session, and make you $300 or $400, $500.
Yeah.
But that'll nick you to death when you're doing name tattoo with a little butterfly here and there. That little $20, $30, $40. You be like, God damn, I'm running in circles. So like Mobile, man, I'm telling you, man, I'm falling in love with Mobile, man. Like I say, we locked in. I'm gonna be coming to check you out.
You come down here, I got you. We're gonna find something.
Yeah, man, make sure you let them know your Instagram again, man.
Oh, yeah, Fast House G. True Hustler G on YouTube, Facebook, Shaquille G. I ain't got Twitter or nothing like that, or TikTok, but you can find me on them 3 right there.
Oh yeah, man. For everybody who watching me, man, make sure you go to my Instagram, follow my Instagram, because you know it be kind of separate. You'll have people watching your YouTube, didn't even know you have an Instagram.
Yeah.
They'll be on your Instagram, don't even know you have a YouTube. That's one thing I be struggling with.
And that's like on mine, like my Instagram, it be more views than on YouTube on certain videos, but I be wanting them views on Instagram
to come over to the YouTube world.
Yeah.
And then see, like some older guys don't do social media, so they strictly watch all my YouTube. So that's why I post all my shorts. What I post on Instagram, I post them as shorts on YouTube. Try to get them to tune in on it, where they ain't missing out. But make sure y'all go over to my Instagram. It's Cutlass_for_us_LLC, man. And just anything else you got for them, man? Man, appreciate you, man.
Just a little bit of it.
Second go round, man.
Just get a little bit of this right here.
Boy, that be nectar, huh?
Hey, what you say?
Yeah, man. But man, appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, share, comment, man. Colors for us, and we out.
Oh yeah. Hit my
These fake ass goons thinking they still with it. I ain't even tripping, I ain't even trying to keep go too far, I'ma come and get you. Yeah, nigga. Facts. Don't play with me, play with your bitch. And listen, your bitch, I mean your clique. Cause they ain't nothing but a bunch of bitches. A bunch of dick pulling ass niggas. You know, you got rats in your clique, you got fucked up niggas in your clique. Then you dick riding these false ass goons like they can save you. You know they can't save you, nigga. You know what is hitting on with me, nigga, double in the game. Fucking can bitches calling on, you know what is hitting on, nigga. Yeah, and I'ma drop this shit just like that, you know. Yeah, you mad Hey y'all, he getting the glizzy. He getting the hot dog. Now let it loose. Now go. I got your head, boy. ain't him driving though. Signature ride putting the wheels on.
Like I say, man, y'all like and keep subscribing to my YouTube channel, man. Y'all share it. Like I said, I'm trying to keep getting y'all the hottest cars in the city, man. Like I say, Mobile, Alabama.